Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab M7. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet button and focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the insight form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card and select card you would like to add, for example IKEA UK. You can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card. Simply select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.